Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Avail token. Name of the token is Avail, and that is also the ticker symbol. And this token just got listed on a bunch of very big central exchanges. This is a very big project. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen here, and you can see that they have 343,500 Twitter followers, blue verified check mark, over 1,800 tweets. Very huge project that just got tons of big central exchange listings. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got listed on Bybit, on Bitget, on Gate, on Mexc, and Mexc Global, and potentially more. But yeah, so if you're looking to get this token, it just got listed on Mexc Global. And if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Avail, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here has a block explorer, explorer.avail.so. They have the Twitter, and the Telegram is linked right on the Twitter there at Avail Community. And then their webpage is right there as well, availproject.org. And on that webpage, you can find tons of links, including a full document section that will take you to docs.availproject.org. So, Avail, the unification layer for Web3. The permissionless environment of Web3 has led to multiple groundbreaking technologies that power a thriving ecosystem. So Avail aims to accelerate the unification of Web3 using its cutting-edge modular technology stack that combines data availability, aggregation, and shared security. To achieve this, Avail has been building out Avail's unification layer, a unifying tech stack starting with the foundational data availability layer, the Nexus unification layer, and Fusion, an adaptive security layer. Avail stands to anchor the whole Web3 ecosystem with a scalable, cutting-edge data availability layer harnessing validity proofs that leverage KCEX polynomial commitments to ensure immediate and reliable data availability, enabling rollups to grow, connect, and stay secure and adapt. Avail's ecosystem is designed to offer a superior experience for both users and developers, balancing the essentials of scalability, interoperability, and security without compromise. The platform structure is anchored in 3 primary layers. The data availability layer, a foundational layer focused on exclusively on DA, forming the basis of scalable modular chains. So the DA layer is a highly optimized low-level layer specifically constructed for data availability. This is the deepest blockchain layer with the minimal functionality required to build cross-ecosystem interoperability on top. Avail DA uses validity proofs to make sure that devs don't have to trust Avail's claims about their data being available or not. They can verify it themselves. Also, the Nexus layer. Now, Nexus is a light but powerful proof aggregation and sequencer selection ZK rollup on top of Avail DA. Avail Nexus acts as a permissionless verification hub that will unify rollups, not just those built within the Avail ecosystem, leveraging Avail DA as the root of trust. Fusion security layer enhances the overall security of the Avail network by pooling different liquidity from other blockchains into the Avail ecosystem, and this approach will progressively bolster Avail's crypto economic security and masks one of the first instances, can't talk today, where foreign tokens like ETH and Bitcoin are utilized to power consensus on a different blockchain. So these layers collectively aim to dissolve the market's fragmentation, providing a unified platform for users and developers from various ecosystems. So within the project here, they have the Avail Nexus, which is a cross-chain coordination hub that unifies blockchain permissionlessly. Avail DA, which is decentralized infrastructure for scaling blockchain apps. And Avail Fusion, the multi-asset staking for unified crypto economic security. So the Avail token has their own info on the document section. It says there is 18 decimal places on this token. And the Avail unification layer consists of Avail DA, Nexus Fusion, which together form the unification layer. And the Avail token is a key part of the Avail unification layer used in the Avail DA, Nexus, and Fusion. So you could stake the token. Anyone can stake Avail throughout Avail's infrastructure to earn staking rewards. They're going to release detailed staking guides along with products as that comes out. And then also governance. So the Avail token will play a key role in governance throughout the Avail ecosystem. Avail will be adopting a phased approach to governance. More information will be available about that soon. But basically, you're going to vote on proposals. Holding the token will give you voting rights and things like that. And on their webpage, you can find a full white paper, full roadmap going through their whole wow, lots of team members too, like an insane amount of team members on here, all with pictures, full names, job titles, LinkedIn, Twitter, bios, all sorts of stuff on there. So definitely team is doxed on here, lots of those on there. They have products, DA, Fusion, Nexus, all that type of stuff. You can learn about blog articles, developers, overview, and then check out the Telegram there as well. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC global one where this token will be listed. And make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.